Same or better diamonds at half the price. That's what we're talking about here at Cash Generators, just off of Grape Road on Edison. With me is Stephen Kolar. Stephen, good to see you again.
See you too, sir. How are you?
I'm doing well. Value-conscious viewers, Stephen, are looking for diamonds right now. We know that for a fact. Tell us a little bit about what you have.
Some of the things that we are able to do that others are not is because we buy stuff direct and we also buy stuff at wholesale. And now with the new internet availability of all the suppliers, basically any ring that, or any setting that you would see in any mall or any jewelry store is available through the jewelry distributors that we work with. So when you come in and you decide you want to buy like a 1 carat stone, recently we had a customer buy one. He shopped at one of the local mall stores. They were at $6,000. We showed it to him at $3,000. He was able to go through about a couple thousand different settings and pick the one that he ideally liked. Once he had picked this one out, he chose that one, and he was in it probably for 50% of what he was going to pay for that same exact ring at the mall. So what we bring to you is, to the value-conscious buyer, is the fact that we're able to furnish this diamond that's at least the quality that they're looking at, if not better, at about half the price, because we buy things direct and we also buy things at wholesale. So basically what we're doing is wholesaling to the public. When you get ready to buy that special anniversary ring, the engagement ring, everything that we sell is fully guaranteed. So therefore when you come in, you don't have to worry about it. You can take it out, we'll get it appraised, and we guarantee it appraised at least double what we are selling it to you for. And if there's any reason, we'll take care of it. And also it's sized to match. And these are all brand new wedding sets, brand new rings or anniversary rings or whatever you have decided that you want. But yet you're buying the diamond as an investment at basically half the price of retail, because that's what we're able to do with the wholesale and the retail difference in that spread.
Stephen, it makes sense. It really makes sense. And the other side of that coin, no pun intended, but it's the fact that you've been around for a while, haven't you?
Yes, we've been doing this for about 35 years, and as we've discovered when we moved into this store here at Grape and Edison, that there's that value-conscious customer that, you know, basically is out there looking, that realizes that he's going to buy a new ring or an anniversary gift or a special occasion gift, and he realizes that there's a wholesale and a retail on a diamond. There are no such things as used diamonds. So what they're able to do is come in and buy select a high-quality diamond from us at about half the price and buy a brand new ring to have it set in it at basically half of what they would have to pay for at one of the convenience stores. And one of the other things that we also offer, if they've lost a diamond or a stone out of one of their rings or anything, we also offer a complete selection of the different diamonds that are available to replace those at a fraction of what you think they would cost.
Now that is key, isn't it?
Yes, just being able to provide them at wholesale levels.
Well, there you have it. Same or better quality diamonds at half the price, right off of Grape Road on Edison here in Mishawaka. Stephen, that website, mycashgenerators.com. How else can people connect with you?
Reach us by phone, which is 574-287-0444, or they can stop by 6 days a week at the corner of Grape and Edison, and we'd be glad to show you what we have available. And anything that you're looking for, we could probably find if it's not perfectly on site now. And there's no pressure, and you can decide what you like and pay what you want.
Same or better quality diamonds, half the price. Come see Stephen, won't you? Stephen, thanks so much.
Thanks, sir. Have a great day.